Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate the removal procedure of IUD copper 375. Copper 375 is an umbrella-shaped, non-hormonal, copper-bearing IUD which prevents pregnancy for up to 5 years. The instruments that are kept here in the tray are used to remove the copper 375. We have the speculum to stretch the vagina for clear vision of cervix, the lubricant to apply on speculum, GYN swabs, posy tenunculum forceps to give traction and to fix the cervix, and the Chiron forceps for holding the threads to pull out the IUD. Procedure starts with the application of lubricant on the speculum to see the cervix. The service provider then uses the swabs in circular motion to clear away any mucus around the cervix so that the strings can become visible to us. If in any case the threads are not visible, the cervix can be stretched by using posy tenunculum forceps to get clear vision of strings. The service provider will hold the strings by using Chiron forceps as close as possible to the external orifice of the cervix. While pulling the IUD, if you find it stuck, kindly wiggle it from side to side and then by applying gentle steady force, pull out the IUD from the cervix. This is how the IUD copper 375 is successfully removed from the patient. Thank you for watching.